Here we are at Grand Central Station, where there's an ex-Iberian class 201 hauling the Enterprise. My first time down here. Very big. So odd seeing the Enterprise all up close like that. The size of it. It's absolutely massive. Massive train. So, and there's also a 3000. Whatever last thing is, I think it's to clean the trains or refuel trains, I'm not sure. 216. If you listen to that. So, as we walk down, you can hear the engine even more. Oh, here we go. Might be departing. Made some hissing noises. There's the radioiser. The Dietrich coaches down up all the way up there. There's the Mark III generator. And I'll be back to you when this thing, well, if it departs in the time, but I'll be back whenever a train departs. But first, let's listen to this motor. Wow. Listen to that. I know I might not be able to be heard as well, but if you listen to that, it sounds nice. Back when it actually departs now. And here we are at the front of the 3000. Up here, it is 3009. Almost at the end of the platform near the Dietrich. And I'm at Coach ENAF. It's not a joke. I was able to hear the Enterprise just thrumming from a while away. So here we are, almost at the front. I can actually hear the suspension. I think it's suspension, but I can hear it hissing. And we are heading to the Dietrich, almost at the end of the platform. I actually won't be able to reach it. So, be back soon. At first I thought down here was a level crossing. Somehow. Like an actual normal functioning level crossing. That was very incorrect. It's for emergencies only. But then again, why would they build a level crossing if there were no warnings, signals like we are. And I'm going to wait for the departure now of this fabulous train. We have a 3000 approaching, and it's gonna I think be on my track. I'm not sure. That is, I can't see it. 3017. Arriving into platform 1, I think. And at the back there is 3017. Oh wait, oh god, I didn't even aim the camera at it. Oh my god, I was too busy looking at it with my actual eyes that I forgot to get a good shot of it. Enterprises still hasn't left. It's probably because it's not ready. Probably not even close to its departure time, because it literally just arrived. I can't really remember how long ago, but it pretty much just arrived. Oh look, they're lowering a wheelchair ramp on the 3000. Sweet. Oh look, it's a 4000 down the track now. I'm not sure if any of you guys have heard of this place, but it's called like Dinky Donuts. Like, it smells like a donut store. It's not a joke. It smells like an actual donut store. Well, the 4000 is on the far track by platform 8. So, I never thought I'd actually see a Axie Dietrich just sitting there. Well, my car was just arriving and I seen it pulling in. It was a pretty nice sight. But anyways, oh wait, there's the 4000 on that side, if you can see through the window. Now, we just wait. Oh wait, no, there's 3009, and then there's 3017. I swear to God, most of the trains here in Belfast, 90% of them are just 3000s. 5% are 4000s, and the other 5% are class 201s. That's what it feels like. More 3000s than 4000s. Wow. Nice sword. Look at the doors on this 4000 right here. 4007. Here we go. Mighty fine train right here. I like this too. And here is the 4000 is closing up. I'll open the door again to listen to the door sign. So let's listen to the door. Wow.
5 Northern Ireland Railways service to Bangor. Calling at City Hospital, Botanic, Landing Place, Titanic Quarter, Sydenham, Hollywood, Marino, Control, Sea Hill, Helens Bay, Carnalee, Bangor West and Bangor.
There we are. Oh god, it feels weird.
7 of
Oh.
1535 Northern Ireland Railways service to Portadown, Port Adelaide, Balmoral, Finchy, Dunmurray, Derryaghy, Lambeg, Hildon, Lisburn, Moira, Lurgan and Portadown.
The sound of the 4000 and 201 is just nice. The 3000 just sounds like "Arrgh." And there goes one of the doors closing. I can hear something. There's a 3000 leaving on the other side, I think. Well, guys, thanks for watching. Bye.